FTP and HUF will be releasing tomorrow, in store only for now, but as you can see, there's a comment down there on the bottom right. They usually drop these pop-ups or exclusive releases early in person and then release online a little bit later. So that's probably going to be the case with this. Also important to note that this is the last HUF collaboration, Zach has said, because the passing of the HUF owner, I believe, like a year or so ago. But yeah, this is maybe not the craziest collection. I saw some people saying it was kind of mid, but there's some alright pieces, I think. Not really anything I'm going to cop, but we're going to go over it. Like I said, this is in store only, releasing tomorrow. You got all that information for if you are in the area tomorrow up here that you can go cop. Otherwise, it'll probably be available online maybe a week from now or so. So keep that in mind. And then we're going to go over what is actually dropping. We have over here from FTP Leaks, great source of FTP leaks, like the name says. Got all the different pieces for the drop list. Got this varsity jacket. You got big H for HUF, of course, and then you got FTP superimposed on it. 2021 on the jacket, it looks like, or on the sleeves, it looks like, which 2022 now that's releasing. We also have an all-over print tracksuit. This is the top and the bottom. I'll show you some close-up pictures of those in a little bit. We also have this kind of like triangle made up of a bunch of smaller, like geometric, pattern looking triangle. Not crazy about it. I think this might be a nod to like a HUF logo. I'm not the biggest HUF fan or follower, so I'm not exactly sure, but I do believe I've seen this before. We have a little like in-memory type thing going on here with the H superimposed with FTP on top of it. The years down on the bottom, a little quote up top. We got this championship style graphic, which we've seen from a lot of brands. Revenge has done this before, but we got some FTP rings, and then HUF as well, kind of stacked on top of each other. A little Super Bowl look, if you will. I think this is like a signature tee that we have for these two colorways. We have a deck with the championship rings on it. We get a balaclava type deal, some type of ski mask, and then we have a bucket hat matching the all-over tracksuit. Then we have a flat brim cap, a beanie that matches it, and then we get some socks coming in black and white that have the co-branding FTP and then HUF on the other side. So like I said, not the craziest collaboration. There's a decent amount of pieces, but nothing too like standoutish in my opinion. So here's a closer look at some of the designs that we can see like some more detailing on. This of course is the championship one. We get HUF Worldwide, FTP, 2021, 3-peat, 2010 to whatever. So I think this was in the works a long time ago. I remember seeing stuff teased for this collab way back. Same with the Fucked collaboration that just happened. We saw that like over a year before it actually dropped, and I think this might be the same case where we've seen these designs or some of these for a long time. But anyway, it's a cool graphic. Nothing too crazy. Brands have done this before. Here's a close-up of the all-over just like branded jacket, I guess. Got a couple different styles. We got like an outline version as well as kind of like a dotted version. Of course, kind of like a fill though. So like the outline and the fill going on. I don't know. I'm not super crazy about it. Doesn't look too bad though. Moving forward, we get the track pants that are the same. And then here's a close-up of the varsity jacket. Looks like we have snap buttons, and then Chanel patch for both of them, the H and the FTP spell out. Both that nice little carpet terry style fabric. But yeah, it does look like it says 2021. We got 2021 on the sleeve over here, 2010 on the other sleeve. I think that's it for those ones, though. We did have a leak at the back. or just a lookbook, I suppose, of the back. Also a shot of the back of the balaclava. Has the co-branding, FTP HUF going down the back, pretty cool. The back of the varsity jacket has a little, is this a pentagram, or does the pentagram need the like circle around it? I don't know, but we got a bunch of years, upside down star. I don't know, I've never been to a varsity jacket, so it's a pass for me. But yeah, the like memorial tee, it says rest in peace, Keith. Hufnagel. I might be butchering that, but 2020, so it's been a little bit over a year since he's passed away. So yeah, like this was likely, you know, like in the works, and then he passed away and got like shelved for a bit, and then now it's finally coming out. But that's what the back of that looks like. Once again, another look at the balaclava, looking kind of dope. And I think FTP Leaks might have some more like stories that were posted up. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the tracksuit all over. The all over print one looks like you have a little bit of 3M piping going on at the top, and then also maybe the side of the pants, or maybe the logos. The logos don't look reflective themselves though. Anyway, what else we got here? Here's the HUF store. They got some tags going on, some graffiti. Got the RIP and then FTP. Pop up this Saturday, this weekend. Need to see everybody there. And that's about it. This is the drop list. It's going to be dropping in person only at that location that was listed earlier in LA. And then we'll probably see it online at some point. But TBD for that date. So let me know what you guys think of it. Are you going to be in person copping, trying to get proxy or whatever? As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.